Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Growatt Wi-Fi. First, ensure your Growatt inverter is powered on and operating properly. Next, find the designated Wi-Fi module port on your inverter, usually a USB port. It's crucial to have your home Wi-Fi network name, also known as the SSID, and its password ready before you begin the setup process. This preparation will make the connection smooth and efficient. Now, let's get the module installed and the app ready. Carefully insert the Growatt Wi-Fi module into the inverter's port, ensuring it's secure. Then, grab your smartphone or tablet and download the Shine Phone app, available on both iOS and Android. Once installed, open the app and proceed to register a new user account. You'll typically need to provide an email and create a password for monitoring access. With the app and module ready, it's time to connect to your network. Open the Shine Phone app and look for the option to add a new device or data logger. The app will guide you through connecting the module to your home Wi-Fi, often by scanning a QR code or entering the module's serial number. Remember, most Growatt inverters require a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. After configuration, verify the connection status within the app to ensure data is flowing. Finally, let's verify everything is working and cover some troubleshooting. Check the data upload status in your Shine Phone app to confirm successful monitoring of your solar system. If you encounter any connection issues, a simple restart of both your inverter and your Wi-Fi router can often resolve them. Also, ensure your Wi-Fi password contains no special characters. For more great deals and to stay hydrated on the go, check out the Owala water bottle link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.